Hello, Nari McDiarmid with you, and it's great to speak again with Paul Brennan, Managing Director of Ballard Mining. And Paul, you'll be presenting at MiningNews Select in Sydney, and you're a relatively new company to the ASX, still not quite a year on the board. So, what opportunity does Ballard present to investors?
Sure. Thanks, Nari. We're a new company on the ASX, but prior to Ballard being demerged out of Delta Lithium, there'd been a significant amount of work undertaken on the Mount Ida gold project. I think the first thing that sets us apart from our peer group, from the other developers, is a fully permitted status. We're on granted mining leases. We're fully approved for both open pit and underground mining. We've got a works approval in place, which is the approval to build up to a 2 million tonne per annum processing plant, and we've got 3.7 gigs of water license, which is more than enough water than we need. The second thing is our existing resource base. We've got a 1.1 million ounce resource. Of that, 930,000 ounces, sorry, at 4.1 is located at a single resource called Baldock. And the third thing is that we're targeting genuine standalone scale. So this year we have a planned 220,000 drill meter program, and we expect by the end of this calendar year we'll have a resource base in place to support an 8 to 10 year mine life. That's enough to overcome the capital hurdle of building the project, and that's what we're targeting. That's our plan A.
Well, you've just raised recently $61 million to take Mount Ida through to a final investment decision. Now, you've mentioned some of the features of Mount Ida, but what to you are the absolute highlights of this gold project?
I think the fact that we're fully permitted, we're targeting genuine standalone scale, and importantly, with the recent $61 million placement, we're fully funded to FID. With our 220,000 metre drill program planned for this year, we're going to put 50 million of that into the ground, and we've also allocated some funds to an early works scope. So when we do get to FID, we've got a backbone of infrastructure in place for the construction workforce to roll into.
So, near term, what are your priorities in the coming months?
Near term is to build the resource base up to standalone scale, and we expect that we'll achieve that by the end of this calendar year, early next calendar year at the latest.
And then, bigger picture, what does success look like for Ballard Mining?
Longer term, we aspire to have an 8 to 10 year mine life, producing circa 100,000 ounces per annum, and obviously generating strong cash flows.
Well, I look forward to seeing you in Sydney, Paul. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Nari. Cheers.